Good morning. We just woke up and it's Ollie's second birthday. Happy birthday, Ollie. So it's her actual birthday, not her like we got you day. Like today's her birthday. So I just wanted to film her opening her presents. Ollie, are these your presents? She's got a little party hat. Just put on your hat. Come here.
Oh my god.
You're a good girl. Happy birthday, Weedy. Open your presents. Let me take that off. What are you gonna open first? The rope? Oops. You got a rope. Weedy, look at the balls. Ollie, look. You got some balls.
That's her favorite one right there.
Oh, yeah. Come here, Ollie, look.
Look.
She's got a boomerang. This is for her birthday cake, which I will show you how to make later.
She's scared of the balloon.
The bubble machine. And, you know, these are one of her favorites. These are just at the Dollar Tree. And when she's gone through so many of them, she loves them. And that's it for her presents.
Ollie, look.
Look, Ollie. Here.
She loves it. Oh my god. Look. Cookie.
It's too windy. Right. We're gonna do it inside. I know my dad's gonna watch this and he'll be mad, but sorry, Dad, it's for Weedy's birthday. And we call her Weedy. Olive somehow changed the Weedy.
Ollie, Weedy. Ollie.
Ollie. This is a hit.
I know.
She likes it.
Guys, it's snowing. Okay, so these are the ingredients for our pupcakes. You're gonna need a ripe banana, a fourth a cup of applesauce, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You're gonna need a half a cup of pureed pumpkin, a cup and a half of flour, half a tablespoon of baking powder, and coconut oil to grease the pan. So, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna make these cupcakes. Ken's right there doing some computer work. So let's get to making some cupcakes. Use a little tablespoon and teaspoon measure. I'm actually gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I've preheated our oven to 350. By the way, we have not gotten ready today. So, you're welcome.
Too much going on. Don't even have time.
You guys, I don't have a cupcake pan.
Looks like someone's gonna have to go.
Oh my gosh. I might have to go buy a cupcake pan. 1 second. We're gonna put these little cupcake trays inside the cupcake pans, which by the way, we already had some, so I didn't have to go buy some. Are you ready? So I've never made these before, and I don't know how many cupcakes this is gonna make, so we're gonna find out together. The next thing we're gonna do is add a cup and a half of flour. And you wanna separate the dry ingredients from the wet ingredients. gonna be our dry ingredients. Cup and a half. Next, you want to do a half a tablespoon of baking powder. So that's it for the dry ingredients. We'll put that on the side. This is for our wet ingredients. 1 ripe banana. We're gonna mush it up. So it looks like this. And then you're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of applesauce. Mix that together. 1 tablespoon of syrup. So I chose this recipe because Ollie is allergic to peanut butter. So we couldn't have a recipe that had peanut butter in it. So if you have a pup that's allergic to peanut butter, this is perfect for them. Mix that in. Do a cup of water. 1 cup of water. And then I'm gonna mix that a little bit. And then a 1/2 cup of pureed pumpkin. Okay, we're gonna need a 1/2 cup of this. Put that in with your wet ingredients. Let's mix this. So it looks like this. And then you slowly mix your dry ingredients in with your wet ingredients. Okay, so all the dry ingredients are mixed in with the wet ingredients. And you're gonna pour this into your coconut oil lined cupcake holders. Okay, so that amount of ingredients makes exactly 12 pupcakes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm in Utah, so the altitude's higher, so we have to bake them a little bit longer. So I might do mine for about 40 minutes, but I'll just keep an eye on it and see how it's doing. I put the rest of the pumpkin puree in this baggie because it's gonna be the frosting. And they're just in there baking. Guys, these smell so good. All right, now I'm gonna let them cool for about 10 before I put the pumpkin puree on for frosting. All right, so the pupcakes are out of the oven. Now it's time to put some icing on. I just cut the tip off with a scissor, and here we go. These are not the prettiest icing job ever. I am not good at this. This one's Ollie's. There you have it. There they are. Her little two. This one in the middle is hers. Ken and I are gonna eat the two on the ends without any frosting. And we'll see if they're a hit. All right, it is time for us to sing happy birthday to Ollie.
My hat broke.
Happy birthday, Ollie.
Happy birthday, pup. 2 years. Oh, she's already going at it.
Which one do you want? Look, all.
She chose that one.
Ooh.
Wait, where's the wing?
Okay, let's let her have a bite. Let's have her try the inside and see what she thinks. Okay, she's licked all the icing, which is probably to be expected. Uni too!
Get Uni some.
I think it's a hit. Well, Ollie likes it. Well, it's a hit. Ollie likes it. All right, that's it for Ollie's birthday special, and I hope you learned how to cook cupcakes.
Oh wait, I have to shout out.
Oh yeah, 3.
Oh, sorry, Uni.
We're a mess. We're gonna shout out 3 of our Instagram followers. That's nuts. Oh gosh, there goes mine.
All right, 3 followers are SCK_Brian,
Okay.
and we got.
Oh, like sick. Sick. He's scrolling.
I'm scrolling. _Omer.08, and we've got Kanzer Mila.
Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below, happy birthday, Ollie, or anything else you'd like to see us do. But until next time,
Probably get ready.
we should probably get ready and take Ollie for a drive for her birthday. See ya.